So why does the Snapchat live location not update for your iPhone? Let's explain that and let's get started. If you're new to the channel, make sure you're subscribed to Foxtecc because you don't want to miss the next tutorials. Now, at first, open up the settings and locate the section for the privacy and security. There you can find location services at the top, and you just want to make sure that the list of apps appears and that Snapchat right here has access to your location at all times. Obviously, you can set it to while using the app, but it might also be set to always if you want to ensure that your location is being shared at all times, right? So that's very useful. Outside of that, you can also pay attention to the cellular data, and that cellular or Snapchat can access your cellular data, not just Wi-Fi. That's also kind of important as well. You can find it in the cellular settings, but these things put together should make sure that the Snapchat has access to your location and that it can refresh it or update it. If not, you can also check out the App Store and look up the Snapchat right here into the search and make sure that there isn't any update available, because if there is, I just want you to install it and ensure that you are running the latest version of the app. Same thing goes for the software of the iPhone, where in the settings, general, and software update, you can check out if there isn't any update available, which might fix these bugs or glitches which prevent things from working properly. But these are the general things which you can do. Let me know if you still have the problem below. Hit the thumbs up if it worked for you, and I'll catch you later in the future videos.